Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Mimi's Makeup. Merry Christmas everyone. In this video I'm gonna show you how to make this beautiful mini Christmas wreath, and as you can see, looks so beautiful. I love the color. When I saw this really beautiful ornament, I just grab it to make this beautiful wreath. So I'm gonna show you everything, what I used and how to do it. So let's get started. Hi everyone again. So as you can see, I have my stuff in here. So I have two boxes of this ornament. It's really beautiful. I love the color. Just mix it between glitter and shiny and some kind of a matte satin finish one, and I'm gonna use two of them. And of course we're gonna need a wire. It's a wire that I use for my DIY stuff, and I have some extra stuff to add over the wreath. It's just up to you. So I saw this this pine thing and I really liked it, so I grabbed it. So let's get started. As you can see, I have everything, and I'm gonna add everything in front of me just to make sure that I have everything. This box with about like 24 ornament in each box, so I used all of them. So I used about like 48 ones, and as you can see, I am dividing my stuff. So when I apply it to my wire, I know what I'm doing. So I'm gonna apply in three sets: one shine, one matte, and one glitter. One shine, one matte, one glitter. That's why I'm just dividing into like three sections. As you can see, I'm adding new to the wire. Of course, you can remove this gluing hanger because it comes with this hanger. You can remove it if you want, but for me, I just leave it. It will not be obvious, and maybe I will use it later, like take it from the wreath and use it in other project if I want to, like in the upcoming years, but that's why I left it. So that's what I'm doing. As you can see, I'm adding the ornament in three sets, and I'm speeding up everything because the process will take a little bit of time, but in the same time it's so much fun to do. So I'm adjusting everything as I go, and just when I need more wire, just grab it to the back. That's why I left the wire in a really long length. I didn't cut it until I finished, because as you can see, I'm just begin to see if I need more or it's just okay, if it's enough, or just as you can see here, I'm just seeing if it's okay. You can do very small wreath just like this, will be very good, of course, but for me, just I decided to use the whole of the two boxes. Okay, so that's it. So I'm adjusting everything, and as you can see, just taking to the back a bit, so I have a little bit of space so I can add more, and I keep doing it until I finish all of my ornament inside my wire. So as you can see, I finished all the ornaments. It's a 48 one, and as you can see, it looks so beautiful. Using the whole two boxes is amazing. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna cut the wire because it's a really long one. As I said, I just left it with the whole length until I finish, because I don't want to cut it and redo the whole process again. So as you can see, I'm leaving a nice amount before I'm cutting it with the pliers. So it will be easy for me, and in the same time it would be nice when I just grab the wire around each other. It will be strong and it will hold the wreath when I finish and hang it out on a hanger or something. As you can see, I'm trying to do just wrap the wire and make sure it looks beautiful and nice and even. You can see I'm just adjusting everything, see if I need something, if it's not okay, if it's okay, just see. And then after I'm okay with the result, I just wrapping the wire around each other just like this, and making sure it's tight and hidden so it will not hurt me or just cut me or anything. Just make sure everything is beautiful. And as you saw, there's a small one just went out from the wreath. That happens with the bigger one as well. As you can see, come out from the small hanger, the golden hanger, and here I'm searching from where this one came out until I found it. And here you can glue it with a super glue later on, but for me you can just press it on and it will be okay. It will be fixed in place and everything is good. As you can see, it looks so beautiful. So that's normal, okay? So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna see what I need to add more, like over, so looks more beautiful and looks like having so much fun. So as you can see, I have this one here. It's just what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna play around and see if this is enough. I need to add more, add something else, and you just see what you have and just grab it. This was like, I was thinking about adding a red bow, but I like said no, and then I decided to add 2 of them, but I found out it's kind of big for this small wreath, so I decided to add only 1. And what I'm gonna do now, I'm just making sure the wire is hitting completely so it will not cut me anyway and doesn't look bad. And then what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna fix this the small like vine thing like over here, so it will hide the wire and at the same time make it look beautiful. And we're done. Actually, that's it. It's really easy, really fun to do. You can do multiple of these small beautiful wreaths around the house in different colors. You can like mix colors together. It looks so beautiful and actually so much fun. And basically this is it. I really hope you like this video and it was helpful and like fun for you. I really enjoyed doing this and I'm enjoying this time of the year. It's a Christmas. Merry Christmas everyone, and of course as usual, don't forget to comment, like and subscribe and share the video with your friends if you like it. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Facebook. These links will be in the description box down below. Don't forget to hit the bell button so you have a notification every time I upload a new video on my channel, and I'm gonna see you soon in my next video. I love you so much and Merry Christmas everyone. I hope the new year will be amazing for you, and bye.